and welcome. It's Julie Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm coming to you with a pour on a piece of MDF board. I had previously just coated it with just my normal acrylic paint, a black colour, and I will be putting it in a frame. I'll lift the frame up and show you in a minute, but I want to do this to go in my new art room. I mean, if it ends up somebody wants to buy it from me, of course I will sell, but I do intend to have this one wall in my art room. It's got a narrow wall and I thought I would like that down it. I even thought of it as a good panel, if I resined it when it's finished, as a hand panel when you open a door and you put your hand on the wall, or the kids or anyone puts a hand on the wall and then opens the door. So a hand panel, if that's, is that the right word? I think they're called a hand panel. So I am going to use some of these delicious colours I have left over, plus some. This is the gorgeous, dark sea. This is dark sea. I will show you. Oh, this is Dark Sea by Global, and it has got a good squirt of dragonfly glaze. So that gives it, you can actually add any colour dragonfly glaze to your paint. It just gives it all an iridescent, sparkly look. So that's what I'm going to put down as my base colour. So here we go. I've got the silicone cups that you just peel paint off when they're dry. That is from the, I'll try and find the link. I haven't had a look for the link just yet. So anyway, let's get this show on the road. Let's see how we go with this. I'm hoping that this doesn't bend because I haven't got it supported both sides. I hope not, but anyway, maybe I might have to find, I haven't got another tray that's exactly the same height as that one. So this is what you do with the reusable cups, silicone reuse. You just leave them like that for the paint to dry. Even better if, well, I've actually got the silicone spatulas. It's just, I just grabbed the timber one. You leave it to dry in there, and then I just peel that out like so. So they're really good because then you don't go through all those cups and whatnot. Rightio. Let's get this. This is already sparkling, so gorgeous. And this will really go nice with the colours that we've just, well, my husband has actually painted the walls of my new art studio. So I'm going to try and get up there and give you a little bit of the video of what we're up to at the minute. We're almost finished and ready for the flooring, almost. Oh, I hope this is not going to bend. I think I'm going to have to find something to support it at the end, just something small. Or maybe I'll try, maybe I will try Molly. Okay. Maybe I'll try these. Molly's Artistry to the rescue. Molly Artistry sent me some of these stands, so I think they probably work better on this stands, won't it? So Molly's Artistry to the rescue. I had to do a bit of patch up there, but goodness, I'll try and edit this bit out of me setting up. I'm hopeless. Rightio, Molly to the rescue. One here, one here, and one there. Maybe that's, oh yes, thank you Molly, that's perfect. So it's, can you still see what I'm doing here? It's because it's 87 centimeters long and it's 20 centimeters wide. So am I got going on there? That's not good, is it? I will end up covering that. Look, I probably need to just try and go over that. It was a bit that I was trying to patch up, and I haven't allowed it to dry, but it's okay because I'm going to load lots of other colours on here anyway. Rightio. And what I might do again with this one is I'm going to blow out a background. So that's that gorgeous and shimmering dark sea, which is one of my favourites amongst many. And now I will put the gorgeous gold. The gold with this is really beautiful. This is metallic gold, pre-mixed up in these containers. I'm just going to see what this looks like blown out. Goodness, why didn't I think of that idea before? Thank you, Molly. I think this is absolutely gorgeous just there. If I had a bit more of that dark sea colour, I would have been able to blow it out. But that's all right because I've got a plan for it. So it's all going to be good in the end. I've got to be positive. So let's do this. Rightio. I've got some, it's sort of like a mustardy yellow. It actually does look a little bit thick. Let's see how I go with this. Maybe I don't need too much in this one. Now this is one of my custom colours. It was the cool, is it cool blue? Is the, yeah, the cool blue. And it had the metallic pearl in it. So I'm not sure if it'll do this justice on this particular background, but we'll give it a go. You know what? I can scrape it. It's not a biggie. Not biggie. Not sure if I should put in any dark. This is my graphite that I made up. This was cool blue. Where's my graphite? Yeah. I don't think I put it on there. Oh yes. Okay. It was the antique gold, burnt umber, and black. That's what that was. If this doesn't look right, I'm gonna take it all off. Rightio. And my puppy's out there barking, barking, barking. I think I've just got a bit of white left, so I'm not going to put too much, but I think the white will actually make it pop, I would think. But now I'm kind of thinking I'll need more of the background colour to blow it out, but we just give it a go. Give it a go. That is absolutely beautiful, actually. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm gonna do my little thing in here and add some of my own signature technique. Let's give this just to lighten it up, soften it up in spots. It's the balloon and it gives it some awesome effects. I'm the balloon lady, as my sons call me. Balloon lady. You can have a cat lady, and I'm a balloon lady apparently. I said, well, you better pack a few in my casket when I go. They just smiled. I'm sure I'll find somewhere to balloon kiss. Oh, I just think it just adds the lovely wispy effects. It doesn't have to look like a balloon kiss every time. It certainly just adds beautiful effects by rolling. Those puppies can hear my voice and so they're acting up. Like, Mama, bring us some food. Food, food. Wow, that is quite gorgeous. I love it, and that's the same with your art, guys. That's the only person you have to please is yourself. Oh, look at that. Now I'm really going to town. It looks nothing like a chaos pour, which it started out as. A chaos blowout, but look at that. That's beautiful. I love it. Rightio, I'm gonna get gone because I'm gonna just not stop here. You need to see it when it's dry, folks, and with a coat of resin over it, because I really do believe that that's gonna go on a nice slim wall inside the frame that I have for it. Beautiful. Love it. Hope you like it too. Thank you so much for joining me today. And remember, guys, if any of you are feeling sad, lonely, depressed, please ring a friend or a family member or a helpline. Please don't suffer in silence. It helps to talk to somebody. Get it out. Go in your art room. Go in the garden. Walk your dog. It's all good therapy. Take care, my lovelies. Bye for now.